welcome back to our channel. If you are an expectant mother or planning to be the one, this video is for you. Today we are diving into the oral health during pregnancy. Did you know that your dental health can significantly impact both you and your baby? Let's break down what you need to know. Why oral health matters during pregnancy. Pregnancy brings about many changes in your body and your mouth. Hormonal shifts can make your gums more vulnerable to inflammation and infection. That is why maintain good oral hygiene is more important than ever. Let's talk about the common dental issues you might face during pregnancy. Firstly, there is pregnancy gingivitis, which causes swollen, tender gums that may bleed. Hormonal changes are to blame, making your gums more sensitive to plaque. Then there is an increased risk of tooth decay. Changes in diet and morning sickness can expose your teeth to more acid, leading to cavities. Another concern in pregnancy, tumors, is non-cancerous growth that can develop on the gums due to excessive plaque. Precautions and measures to maintain oral health. So, how to keep your smile bright and healthy during pregnancy? Start with a solid oral hygiene routine. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, and consider using antimicrobial mouthwash. Make sure to drink plenty of water, especially after meals, to help wash away the food particles and acids. It is also a good idea to eat a balanced diet should be rich in vitamins and minerals, which supports the dental health and as well as the baby development. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks that can increase the risk of cavities. Regular dental checkups are a must. Inform your dentist that you are pregnant so they can provide the best care tailored to your needs. If you experience morning sickness, rinse your mouth with water or fluoride mouthwash to neutralize the acids. Avoid brushing your teeth immediately after vomiting as this can cause more harm to your enamel. Wondering about dental treatments during pregnancy? Routine cleaning and checkups are safe and highly recommended. If you need dental work, the second trimester is the best time to get it done. Most emergency procedures can be safely performed, but elective treatment should be postponed until after the delivery if possible. You can undergo fillings, root canal treatments, crowns, which is safe. Always consult with your dentist and the gynec to ensure any treatment is safe for you and your baby. Post pregnancy oral health. Continuing the care after your baby arrives. Don't forget about your own oral health. Don't stop brushing. Continue with your dental care routine and schedule a post pregnancy checkup. Address any tissues that may have arisen during pregnancy to ensure long term oral health. A healthy smile for you and your baby. Maintaining oral health during pregnancy is crucial for both you and your baby. By following these steps, you can reduce the risk of dental problems and ensure healthy and happy smile. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on keeping your teeth and gums healthy. See you in the next video.